Hey everyone, looking to invest with Fidelity but not sure where to start? No worries, in this video I'll show you step by step how to open a Fidelity account in 2025. So let's dive in. First, go to Fidelity's official website. Click on that open an account button. Fidelity offers various accounts like Brokerage, retirement, and cash management. Choose the one that suits your need from this list. So as you can see, Fidelity has a wide variety of lists you can actually choose from depending on your need for your account. So you can simply read the description for each of these account types and select the account that you want to create on Fidelity. For example, I want to create a college saving plan account. So I'll just simply click on that open an account under that. So in here, you just need to answer this question. If you're an existing Fidelity customer, you'll be able to learn about the requirements in opening an account on Fidelity. So you'll need to confirm your identity and employment information. Once the account is open, you'll create a username and password, and finally begin the process of transferring money into your account. Now that will redirect you into this section. So in here, you need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information helps Fidelity verify your identity. So after you answer this, you need to create a username and strong password. And to start investing, you'll need to add funds. You can link a bank account for direct transfer, use a wire transfer, or mail a check. Some accounts may require a minimum deposit, so double check the requirements. Before submitting your application, review all your details carefully, and once everything looks good, hit the submit button. Fidelity will process your application and you should receive confirmation within a few business days. And that's it. That's how you can simply create an account on Fidelity. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.